Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Subaru Legacy. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies, including new oil, a new filter, a drain pan, and wrenches. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Locate both the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing for easy access. Now, place a suitably sized drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug, which is typically a 14mm or 17mm bolt. Carefully remove the drain plug and allow the old oil to completely drain into the pan. Once the flow slows to a trickle, clean the area and reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer to ensure a proper seal. Next, locate and remove the old oil filter, often found on top of the engine or underneath. Use an oil filter wrench if it's too tight to remove by hand. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, using a funnel, pour the recommended type and amount of new engine oil into the fill port. For many Subaru Legacy models, this is 0W20 full synthetic oil with a capacity of around 4 to 5, 1 quarts. Start the engine for about 45 seconds to circulate the oil, then turn it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick and add more if necessary to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.